everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to hang a picture using a drill. Screws are a great way to hang your pictures because they aren't a smooth shaft like a nail is, and they won't pull out as easy. For this job, I'm going to be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips bit and a picture screw. A picture screw is a little bit different than a normal screw. They've put an extra head on there, about a ½ inch from the normal Phillips head, with a smooth shaft. That way you can hang your pictures on there without having to play with the depth of the screw. So what we'll do is we'll put our screw onto the tip of our drill bit, put it into place, and slowly start screwing it into the wall while we're holding the screw steady with our hand. You'll run it all the way in until the stopper is flush with the wall. You want to make sure that you're hitting some lath boards or a stud, even with a screw. That's going to be the best place to hold the most weight. I can't stress enough the importance of hitting something solid behind your drywall or behind your plaster. If you just run it into the drywall, it doesn't matter what you do, that screw is going to pull out. You have to hit something solid back in there. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.